Ever wondered why radiation oncologists are obsessed with millimeters? Let me give you a real-world scenario. You're treating a patient with a glioblastoma. A 2 millimeter shift in the beam can mean the difference between preserving cognitive function or permanent damage. That's the level of precision we're dealing with, and if you're a med student, resident, or even prepping for boards, you need to understand this field on that level. Osler's Radiation Oncology Online Review 2021 is not just another passive lecture series. It's a high-yield, clinically focused crash course packed into 48 sharp videos and 4 downloadable PDFs. In just a few minutes, you'll be able to understand things like the radiobiology behind fractionation, when to choose IMRT over SBRT, or how to interpret a planning CT like a pro. You'll cover not just brain tumors, but breast, lung, prostate, every major system, plus tons of board-style questions that mimic what you'll actually face. What I love most? It doesn't just teach you what, it shows you why. Why hypofractionation is becoming standard in prostate cancer. Why whole brain radiation is being reevaluated. And even how to manage complex toxicity profiles, stuff you rarely get in med school lectures. Bottom line, if you're serious about radiation oncology, or even just want to crush your oncology rotation, this course is a game changer. Want the full access to all 48 videos and the complete set of downloadable PDFs? Just click the link in the description below. And if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and share it with your fellow med school crew. See you in the next one.